Now cooking fam, this is just a little follow-up video from the previous video, but post notification shout out will go right there. So I just omit on today's episode. It's just a follow-up video, but we're still doing post notifications, and I'm also imploring you to check on the link in the description for my Patreon page and show me some love. Thank you. Now this is, I hope you have watched the prior video to this. This is a 1-pot Jamaican Tun Cornmeal and a color look, and you have got to go watch that video to see how I arrived at this. Now this is a mold. I took out a part of it. Now it is properly cool. I did show you to when I molded it and how I unmolded it right here. So it is pretty much somewhat cool now. So I'm going to show you how you can slice it. So if you want to slice it this way, you can, but I'll be slicing it right across right here. So it's proper. This is the Tun Cornmeal. You see that? So this is how the hotels would let it do, and it's served to you. So I'm going to show you pretty much how you can slice it. I'll be doing it in like small pieces. So you can pretty much cut it how you want to cut it. This is how it looks. These are like the seasonings that are falling apart. So see, I have slices. It's cooled now. So I'm going to be showing you how you can get it a little refried and it tastes even better than how it was in the beginning. The versatility of this Tun Cornmeal. I'm going to finish slicing it up now. When you see me next, I'll have it and I'm going to show you how you can get it fried with a little crust and you can enjoy it the very next day or a few days after. Right here I have my oil and I'm eating it somewhat. So you want to have it reasonably hot that you can, when it goes down in there, it starts frying at the same time. So you're going to let it stay there fried until it has a little crust where it starts to get brown on the bottom. And then I use this piece to test the oil, okay? You might want to cut yours a little thicker than mine. So we're going to be frying it until it comes like it has a little crust. You got to let it fry maybe about a 5 or 6 minutes on each side. Here I am, continue frying. This is one that looks like how I just want it to look. You see how it looks like a fritters? So you slice it and you fry them until they are brown and crispy. And let me tell you something. They are so delectable at that point. You wouldn't want to stop eating them. Let me tell you, this thing has a whole lot more than just Tun Cornmeal, you know. Tun Cornmeal has a whole lot more. You would even know. A lot of people don't know. It has a whole lot more than what you would ever think of. This is like when you roast your breadfruit and refry it. Yeah. So this is it. Depending on how crispy and nice you want them. So I'm going to be removing them now. You see how they're not breaking up? And you see, all you got to do is drain it on a little paper towel. You see them? Oh, yes. This is the extent that Tun Cornmeal can go to. I'm just going to remove these, drain them, and come back. So this is the final product. Cooking fam, these are fried Tun Cornmeal pieces or slices. Have it how you want. Have it with a dip. Have it how it is. They're crispy, they're nice, but they're just so hot. Thanks for watching. I'm crunching on peace. Thanks for loving. Thanks for supporting. Leave me some comments below on this one. I'll catch you again with another video.